What's up everybody, and welcome back to another devlog. Today is just the grind, so let's get straight into it. So as you guys may know, I've been taking commissions recently. So first I made this little simple asset pack for somebody for like 100 Robux. Then I started working on the wheel for the motorcycle I made for somebody, which I completely forgot to record because I'm locked in. Even though Blender is still nowhere near easy, every day I'm learning new tricks and new tools. Like today I used the knife tool for the first time. So I kept grinding away at the motorcycle. I didn't finish it yet, but I mean, I think it looks pretty cool so far. You wouldn't believe me if I told you I forgot to record the beginning of this one too, right? Well, I did. Anyways, I began working on this helmet for this armor he wanted me to make. This is what he wanted me to make. I don't know who he thinks I am. I am a scripter. I want to be a modeler, but I am not that good of a modeler. But I try my best anyways, and this is how it Alright, so this is how the helmet turned out. Honestly, I really like it, but the texturing kind of sucks. So the day I get Adobe Substance Painter, my models are going to skyrocket. Alright, the next part of the modeling marathon was making this car for the same person who I did my first commission for the tree asset pack earlier. And the best part is I can actually use this car in worse drivers, so very convenient. Since I was stuck in Blender Limbo, I decided to keep working on the motorcycle next, and I eventually finished it. I made it a little more low poly than as you can see me editing here, and here's how it came out. Honestly, I'm okay with it. I mean, it could be better, but it is what it is. Alright, it's time for a beat change. After I finished the bike, I went straight back to the car, which honestly, I love modeling cars. I don't think I say that enough. They're so relaxing. Then I started making the wheels, for which I had to use the classic hot dog method. Alright guys, and this is how the car turned out. Honestly, I am super happy with this. My modeling skills have gotten a lot better, and I'm just happy with this. I mean, not much more to say. And to end off the Blender-filled day, I decided to just make a thumbnail in Blender because I don't want to be lazy and do it in Roblox Studio. Well anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.